In this video, I shall show you how to confirm my TimeWall account using my ID and other things needed. This way, you can understand how to verify your own TimeWall account or even find out how to get ID verification process. Give close attention to what I am about to say. If you have not gone through the verification process, you would not be able to earn more or make any withdrawals from this website. This process is necessary to increase your earnings and to be able to withdraw your money. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to click the bell icon so you can see more videos. Let's begin the video now. Verification. You must verify your ID in order to continue using TimeWall. Click here to verify your ID. Please click on the verification button. The page will look like this. Verification. You must verify your account in order to continue using TimeWall. You will need to verify your identity before you can withdraw your earnings. This will only be required once ever. Any ID documents that you upload in this tab are immediately deleted forever from our servers once it is approved. To verify your ID, complete these 3 steps. Step 1 is compulsory, but you can do either step 2 or 3. If you don't have a Facebook profile, then you can submit a government-issued document. If you don't want to submit government-issued documents, then you can just submit your Facebook profile and a photo of yourself. You can complete either step 2 or 3, whichever one you prefer. Submitting documents in step 2 will get your account verified faster. Step 1. Photo holding paper compulsory. Take a photo of yourself with a mobile phone or any camera holding a piece of paper with the word TimeWall written on it, with your face clearly in view. No hats or sunglasses. You must be wearing clothing, no shirtless photos. Holding a piece of paper with the word TimeWall written on it. Using your own handwriting, printed versions are not allowed. Now I have clicked on Browse Photo with Paper. I have chosen a picture of myself holding a piece of paper, just like you can see in the screenshot, and it's been uploaded. Step 2. Government-issued ID optional. Upload a government-issued ID such as your driver's license, passport, or student ID card. I selected it by clicking on Browse Government ID Card. You can pick any of these options: a government-issued ID card, driver's license, passport, or student card. You saw I uploaded my government ID card. Step 3. Facebook profile optional. Submit a link to your personal Facebook profile. Your account must not be set to private and must be publicly viewable. Your Facebook profile picture must match the same person we see in the photo uploaded in step 1. I opened a new page to access my Facebook account and get the profile URL. I chose my Facebook profile URL and copied it. Then, I went back to the verification page and pasted it here. Finally, I clicked the Submit button for approval. The message shown, Pending Approval. Your account verification is now pending approval by TimeWall staff. We will review your submission within 2 business days. You will receive an email and a notification once it has been reviewed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.